This video will demonstrate how to use Archives Unbound, a database focusing on historical document collections. You can get access to this database through Central Washington University's library homepage and databases. Start by breaking a research question down into keywords or phrases. For this example, let's learn more about how women got the right to vote using the search term women's suffrage. One way to start your search is to go through a list of 16 pre-filtered research topics under Explore Topics. For this research topic, let's look at gender, sexuality, and women's studies. After selecting this collection, you will then be directed to the Explore Collections page, where you can select a specific collection. You can narrow your results using the filter options on the right side, such as document type and language. Another more direct way of conducting researching is through advanced search near the search box. This will give you more specific results from the start of your search. Let's type our search term here, women's suffrage, or women's right to vote, and Seneca Falls Convention, and click search. The search filters on the right side offer the ability to narrow and focus to parameters such as certain date ranges, library source, and languages across collections. As you can see, we got our search results in 3 different formats: monographs, manuscripts, and newspapers. After clicking on a document, you can search the text for specific terms, increase size, or jump to specific pages with the options on the top gray taskbar and generate a citation. Back on the results page, another search tool you can use is Topic Finder. This shows keywords and graphic visuals that are found most often in the text with your search term. You can also locate this tool through the homepage by clicking on Archives Unbound on top of the page, scroll to the bottom, and click on Go to Topic Finder. Now, by typing women's suffrage in the search box, it gives you many topics that are linked to your original topics such as politics and the Women's Party. Selecting any of these topics will bring you access to related documents. You can look for the keywords in 2 graphic visuals, tiles and a wheel. To switch from tiles to a wheel, check the circle next to wheel that is displayed next to the word visualization. The final search tool we look at in this demo is called Term Frequency. This tool allows you to explore the frequency of one or more search terms in the content over time, which can suggest the changing importance of particular concepts over the years. In order to get to term frequency, we will first go to the homepage by clicking on Archives Unbound, scroll to the bottom, and click Go to Term Frequency. Let's search for suffrage and add another term of voting in the term box. We can also limit this by date range 1820 to 2014. This gives us a graph display showing the frequency of the terms used between those years. You can also click and drag in the plot area to zoom in. Thanks for watching this overview of getting started with searches in Archives Unbound.